So good morning friends. So today I'm going to tell you something about mind power secret. I'm Rupantar Chawrok from Assam. You know friends, if you know how to use mind power, you can get whatever you want to in your life. You can be whatever you want to do. Just you have to know how to apply this mind power. I'm Rupantar Chawrok, motivational speaker and mind power expert in Assam. I'm telling you how to use mind power and how to get success in your life. You know friends, first of all you have to know what is mind power. Mind power is a hidden secret power in every human being, and also it has two parts like conscious mind and subconscious mind. So friends, conscious mind has got only 10% power and 90% power has a subconscious mind. So friends, if you know how to use the subconscious mind 90% power, whatever you want to get in your life you can get it, because it has the great and fantastic power. You need that power and use it and you can be a success in your life. Just use it. Just contact with me and be with me. I'm coming to you every day. Just be with us. Thank you.